in the upper 50s. Thursday and Thursday night, partly cloudy. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Blanco County, southeastern Gillespie County, northeastern Kendall County, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Stonewall, or 10 miles east of Fredericksburg, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. The storm has a history of producing large hail with damage to property. Locations impacted include Blanco, Johnson City, Stonewall, Bluegrass, Luckenbach, Sandy, Rocky Hill, LBJ State Park, Rocky Creek, High, Blumenthal, Albert and LBJ National Historical Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.